that's so good.
For only 3 ringgit as well.
Hi, we're Jamie and Aidan. Welcome to our channel.
We are a couple from England who have left everything behind to pretty much travel the world. Welcome to our little pocket of the internet where we share everything with you.
We would love for you to be part of our travel community, so make sure to hit subscribe.
And we hope that you enjoy the video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are Jamie and Aidan.
And we have been travelling in Southeast Asia for around 9 months. We are currently in the Highlands in Malaysia, and it is beautiful. If you want to see our last episode, we were exploring, doing lots of walks, going to tea plantations, and had the best time.
We are currently on our way to a night market. I do not know the name, but we'll put it up on the screen here.
I think it's called the Golden Hill Night Market, but it obviously has its Malaysian name as well. And we're really excited to see what a Malaysian market looks like. Hopefully there's some different things than you get in Thailand or Vietnam, and hopefully we can try some amazing street food.
We're currently walking up a very steep hill on the way there. It's about a 45-minute walk from our room.
But luckily the temperature is nice and cool, so it's not the worst walk in the world.
No, it's like we're walking through the jungle. Enough of us talking now. Let's get on with the video. It's getting very steep now. So we're actually staying in this building here, and Google Maps led us on a big walk all the way around, even though we could have just walked out of the back entrance and up to this point of the hill. Oh well.
So we have some very nice views because we're going up this big hill, so this is just lovely. Pretty dense jungle in there, but unfortunately you can see a lot of rubbish, which is really sad. Yeah, if you are visiting, obviously in these beautiful places, take your rubbish to the bins and the recycling centres. Don't just throw them off the side, but I'm not too sure it's a tourist, so we'll see.
We have completed the ascent and now we are descending. We are nearly at the night market. We should only be a few minutes away. So it looks like there must have been a landslide or something, and they are bolting some metal into the hill to stop it. Something like that. That's what I assume, but I don't know. I'm not qualified to answer that question. We have just about made it. Just up this hill.
Oh, I'm getting excited now. I can smell a little bit of food. It looks really busy. I think this is going to be fun.
Let us enter the night market.
Oh, I think that's fresh honey.
Some honey, lovely.
It's really good, look. It's got the actual cone. And look, you just buy one little stick for 1 ringgit. That would be nice for me. Like 10 ringgit, I could make cups of teas with honey in.
Oh, dude. Well, we've got honey and lemon. No, it's lemon and ginger.
Yeah, you've got honey. That goes perfectly.
All right, grab it.
I think. Some little sticks of fresh honey. And also, I've never seen it like this before, like honeycomb. You do? Wow.
It's only 20 ringgit.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Yes.
Thank you.
Terima
Bye-bye.
kasih.
Terima kasih.
So we have made our first purchase. We have some shoots of honey, which were 10 ringgit each, and then we got 2 small tubs of fresh honeycomb, which were 10 for both of them. So only 30 ringgit for all of that. How lovely. So we have mushrooms, and I believe watercress.
Which I've never seen fried before.
Neither have I.
No, yes, chili, yes. The sea chili is really good. Crunchy.
Are these savages tucking in already before I've even got the camera out? What do you think, Jamie?
Very good. Fried food, very fresh. Yeah, it's deep fried, so of course it's good.
Okay, we have finished our first round of food, the tempura veg, so we're going back inside now.
So you can get them, you dip them in the chocolate. It's only 5 ringgit.
Shall we get some?
Dessert.
Oh. I'm gonna get yeah. We've been walking for about another 2 meters and we've stopped again because we found some nice fried corn. Or grilled corn, should I say, not fried, grilled. Perfect. What do you think then, Jamie? Nice?
It's just like in Bali.
Nothing. Oh, it's stuck in my teeth.
Okay. I'm gonna go for Ayam Gunting. I think black pepper. They're massive.
So we have some black pepper chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Try.
Crunchy.
Ooh.
Spicy black pepper.
Very spicy, and we asked, well, they had options for spicy, black pepper, or original. But that's very spicy.
Good though?
It's good.
So one thing that makes the Cameron Highlands super special is that there is a lot of farming here. Like there's all these sweet potatoes and we know that they're locally grown. We've got the honey which is local and you can really actually taste the difference, and especially having just some strawberries, some fresh strawberries, which you don't really find a lot in Asia because it's not the right climate, but we love them obviously being from England. So it's really nice to have this taste of home, but all the way whilst we're in Malaysia.
So the woman at the stall is selling freeze-dried strawberries and she's giving me a little taster for free. That is lovely.
It's like what they put in cereal, like Special K.
That's amazing.
Should we grab some? It's a nice little snack, isn't it?
Remember, it's 15 and then 10, but you get 3 for 20 or something like that.
Oh look, here are the teas as well. Oh, that would be nice. Delish.
Passion fruit.
And this we've seen a lot of, the chocolate pots to dip your strawberries in. We will be doing that later tonight. I've decided for all of us. I've seen it and not got it, but I can't resist now. And there's just strawberries. It goes very well with chocolate. Do you not think? I do.
Oh, look at that dog. What an amazing dog. I'm just looking at some souvenirs right here. Let's have a look. What's Jamie looking at?
Key rings, flip-flops for my mum and grandma. Don't watch mum and grandma. They're for you.
Flip-flops.
They're key rings. with
So
strawberries on.
much strawberry paraphernalia.
It's okay.
Look at the size of this cauliflower. It's absolutely massive. I have barely seen cauliflower since I left the UK. Whoa.
I've never seen that in my life.
Black sweet corn. Oh, it's dying.
Wow.
Oh, it's being dyed. It's dying. Very busy. Very busy. Everyone wants a sweet drink.
Sugar.
You want cold or hot?
Cold, please. The same, because I love the brown sugar. He had it hot though, but I didn't fancy a hot one because I'm a bit hot myself. So,
How's it taste?
oh, that's really nice. I think it's like a kind of jasmine-y oolong tea, but milky. So it's really floral, and then obviously the brown sugar at the bottom. That's so good.
For only 3 ringgit as well. Very
Yeah,
cheap.
I'm not sure what it is. If you are Malaysian and you know what this is, please write it down below so that we can get it again and we know what to order.
So we're all done at the night market now. It's absolutely amazing in there. We are Unfortunately, it looks like we're going to have to walk home in the dark. We're going to try and find a taxi, but who knows? We'll see.
I think we will make it. It's okay. It's a quiet road, so we'll be careful.
We'll be fine.
Okay, we are back at home, so we made it home safely. We walked very cautiously along the road and then got to the main part, which was lit. So we are back now, ready to eat these snacks. Very excited. The boys have already started in there, so I just quickly came away to finish the video. It was a bit less edited than we usually do, a lot more of us talking, so if you found that boring, I'm really sorry, but we hope that you enjoyed it and we had a really good time. That was some very unique food. Definitely the Cameron Highlands and Malaysia in general has some different food than we've tried before. Very good for our taste buds. And we are going to finish this video. We have a few more Malaysian episodes coming out, so make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications if you want to see when we upload, and we will see you soon. Bye!